What the fuck?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you an updated video on how to fix the AEM V2 hot start issue. So what you're gonna need is one of these, a breaker, some 4-gauge wire. Here's the other one over here. Pretty much we're gonna run it from the starter directly to the battery. So I don't know why AEM V2 doesn't like the heat when starting. So yeah, I think this will fix the issue. It's kind of hot right now. It's 100 degrees outside today and I just drove the car. So gotta let it cool down before I can put my hand back in there, unscrew it, put this on, throw it on, and it should work every time. Cool, well I'll let you guys know how it goes and we'll see. All right, so we got one side on this side. It's just kind of barely fitted on there. And you guys are gonna need a special tool for this to push it down. You think you can use regular pliers or nah?
No, fuck no.
No, it's not strong enough?
Yeah, you gotta press it.
Okay, well, you guys pretty much need this tool. I don't know, maybe they have it at AutoZone to rent or something. But yeah, it's a hydraulic tool.
It's only like 50 bucks on Amazon.
50 bucks on Amazon.
It's not too bad.
All right, so we'll get into it when we're ready to crimp. Say what you just said.
It's just a hydraulic crimper press.
Hydraulic crimper press, guys. Oh shit, after we got it set up 30 minutes later. Dude, when are we gonna do a video of your car?
I don't know. Fucking, I've been wanting to, but cause I've done so much shit to it, but I
have a fucking gimbal and everything here.
Well, dude, right, tonight when I get this phone, I'm gonna go get it before we go to the car meet. This shit's gonna be sick.
Nice.
108 mega fucking pixel. That's yeah. I don't even think you understand. Your iPhone is 12.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Your iPhone's 12. This is fucking.
Let's see how this goes in here.
I don't even know.
It's gonna fit in there or no?
I think it's fucking.
All right, there. It's in there like that, guys.
Oh yeah, no, it just goes in like that. And then we turn it on, and then we just start compressing it.
And all you do is just pump it down. And this is, what is this for? To get a better connection, huh?
Yeah, this is so it doesn't slip off ever.
So pretty much this is never gonna come off.
Yeah, and it's just, you know, you don't want to have loose wires when you're dealing with power, because if you do, it'd be fucked up.
Yeah, you should have
create a short.
All right.
I think it's good.
It's good, and one more pump.
Yeah, no, that's fucking good.
All right, guys, so this is the final product after. Now we're gonna just wrap this little part right here with the electrical tape. Doesn't have any shrink wrap, so that should do the trick. All right, guys, so we got one side done pretty much. Just gonna wrap it with the electrical tape, make sure nothing gets in there. And we'll do the other side, and that is it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get the power wire. It's a 4-gauge with the breaker box. We're gonna run it from right here straight to the starter. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to disconnect the battery. You don't want to short anything, so let's get that handled and let's do it. All right, guys, so after this, I pretty much got the nut off already. Just a little 12. That's it. Now I got that on there, and I have to slip I put this wire on first, and then I put the other one on. And now I just have to screw it on and then figure out how to run it to the battery. I already got it kind of long enough. So it shouldn't be too hard. All right. Okay, so we got it bolted in. Now I just have to run the wire through this side and plug it directly into the battery. All right, guys, so far so good. It turned on. So let the car warm up for about, 15-20 minutes, and we'll come back and try it, and hopefully that fixes it. Alright, guys, so it's been running for about 10 minutes now. Let's see if it'll turn on. Car's warmed up, so it should fire up. Okay, turn this on. Let the fuel pumps prime. All right, fam, cross your fingers. Woohoo! All right, guys, I think that's it. I mean, the only thing else I could do is go for an actual drive, but I let it sit here for about 10 minutes and you've seen it fired up quick. All right, guys, so I got everything wired up. I gave it like a 10-minute warm-up earlier, but I just want to make sure and go for a pretty long drive, get the car up pretty warm, make sure it's hot, and then try it again to make sure this is it, like for sure it's gonna turn on every single time. All right, guys, I just got back from my little drive. I got the car nice and warmed up and hot, so let's see if the issue's fixed. This is the first time trying it. Here we go. All right, cross your fingers, fam. Car's hot, fans are on. Boom. That's it, guys. That's all you gotta do. Run I ran a 4-gauge wire from the starter to the battery. Yeah, that's it.